Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can download your TikTok data. So the most common way is by going on your profile here, and then you want to click on the three bar up here, and then up here you want to click on settings and privacy. On settings and privacy, you want to go to account, and account you want to go to download your data right here. Now, once you click on download your data, you'll have to first to select your data, and then you can also select the file format here. But before you can download it, you'll actually have to request it first. So let's just click on this button to request the data. Now, you can see your data requests are being processed. This usually only takes a few seconds. You can see right now it says requested on January 19th, 2025, right? Once it's ready, you'll see that it'll say requested on January 19th, and there's a download button right here. So just click on download. And then you'll have to verify your account first. They'll send you a code to your email right here, and you just have to enter in your code, and then your data will be downloaded. Very easy. But if you want to download your videos, for example, and not your data, so for example, I have this video right here, right? Now, instead of downloading this from the download your data section earlier, I can just download this specific video. I can tap and hold, and then I can click on save. You can see you can save as video or save as image. I'm going to click on save on video. And you can see on the bottom here, it says 15%, 25%, 30%, 40%. Now let's just wait for it to be saved. And you can see right now it's saved and it's on our phone gallery. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.